Are you kidding me? Okay. Wow. All right. So today I'm going to bring you guys along. I got some interesting stuff going on. You might want to say it's just the typical day in the life of a concrete guy, fabricator, whatever. Pretty much this is just what my life consists of every day. All right, so we're at this job right here. It's the first time I've walked back and seen actually this portion of it, so I don't really know what they're doing. I have an idea what they're doing, but right here, if that's any indication, that doesn't look fun. Oh, down there. All right, well, let's go over there and see what's going on. Wow, they even got some stuff piled up here. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Where was the water leak? So, the water leak was here. We had to take this whole slab out. All right. And of course it's loaded with not only rebar but wire mesh, and looks to be about 8 inches thick. Okay, well, that looks like fun. Sandblast rig. There he is over there. We're going to walk around this side over here. Go through the garage. Oh, look. Oh, my guys did a pretty good job getting the barbecue laid out. Anyways, this concrete here is something that let me fix this for you. There we go. This concrete here is something that we poured a few days ago. Still a little green. This is when you want to catch it with sandblasting. When it's a little green, you get a much better finish. The idea of the sandblasting is to put a little texture on it. This was hard troweled, this concrete, and when you sandblast it, it kind of gives you it just takes the cream off the top and gives it just a slight little sand or wash look and finish. Better for appearance and traction wise, if it ever rains here. Never rains in Southern California. Well, let's go over and see how things are going. We'll maybe come back to this as well. Maybe you heard me mention, this is a barbecue cook center that I'm in the process of building. Crazy. Wait till you see this finished product. And we got some serious metal fabrication going on this. That's going to be a great video. Okay, so if you live in and around here in Southern California and you're in construction, you've probably heard of Ganal Lumber. It's probably one of the biggest lumber supply stores here in Southern California, and they've got quite a few chains. We're here at the Anaheim location right here. This is probably, I gotta think, this is probably one of the biggest locations they have. They actually have an on-site mill here that they do custom milling for just about anything you need. You know, the quality of lumber here is really good, and they got lots of different varieties and lots of different kinds. Now, this is why I'm coming here. You know, the Home Depot and Lowe's and all that, they've got kind of what I'm looking for, but a place like this gonna have some choice and select material. There's the mill section of it right there. Looks like they're doing some milling. Part of the yard right there. And over here they got different bays. You can just drive down in each of these bays and they have you know, various types of lumber, stuff that you're looking for. And then inside the store here, they got just about everything. I'm not a real big fan of filming here, so I'm going to see if I can get something, and let me find what I'm looking for, and we'll see if we can get it on camera. Okay, we're actually inside one of the bays right here. I don't know if I'm allowed to do this or not, but I'm sure that they'll let me know if it's an issue. I'm looking for some pine, some 1 by 10 by 8 foot pine, and some 1 by 4 8 foot pine. We definitely don't want this. This is redwood. No thanks. Let's go down this other side right here. See what's happening. Take a little shortcut. Oh, okay. Well, this kind of looks like the stuff I'm looking for. Let's see here. Aha. 1 by 4 by 8. 566. That's my style. All right, let's come down here. We're looking for some 1 by 10 by 8. Let's see here. 1 by 10 by 12, 14, 16, 10. Aha. 1 by 10 by 8, right there. Nice fresh stack to pick from. Wow. Well, we found what we're looking for, and I think I might have gotten lucky because it looks like a fresh load of lumber on both pieces, and I need to get some nice clean material. So I'm gonna go get my truck, bring down here, get things loaded up, get out of here. All right, well, I got everything loaded up and tied down, and the biggest fear is these boards right now are perfectly straight, and the key is to get them back to my shop before they start looking like that or that. You know, just a little bit of sun. All right, well, there it is. You know, we visited all three, 2 job sites and all lumber, and picked up what we need to do. That's pretty much the what it is for me just about every day. Checking out different job sites, seeing how things are going, trying to put out fires, doing what I can do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. More video.